Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to delete Notion account. So if you decided to permanently delete your Notion account, go to your Notion and go to this sidebar on the left, scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar, and here you will find settings. Menu item, click on this settings, then find here my account at the top left. Click on my account and here scroll a little bit down and you see this highlighted in red, delete my account. Just click this little arrow icon on the right and you will see a pop-up information warning for pop-up, let's say, that asks you if you want to delete your entire account permanently, and also request to provide your email to confirm. So if you really want to delete your account permanently, just type in your email and click this permanently delete account button. So that's it. That's the whole process. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.